In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your money out of stocks on Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You've got your cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, even taxes, plus a debit card you can use to spend your balance. You can do peer-to-peer payments, get discounts, it pretty much does it all. But in this video, we're just focusing on how to sell your stocks and actually get your money out of them. So the first thing you'll want to do is open Cash App and come to the home screen. This is your main balance screen where you'll see the amount you currently have in your cash balance at the top. For example, let's say I have $8.90 there. Now, scroll down until you see Stocks. This is where you'll see the list of stocks you own. In my case, I've got about $41.60 in stocks. I usually just use this for smaller examples, but you might have a lot more invested. Now, if you want to get your money out of a stock, you need to sell it, just like selling any other item. Think of it like buying a jacket, wearing it for a while, and then deciding to sell it later at a garage sale. A stock is something you purchase, you hold it, and when you're ready, you sell it to get money back. So let's tap into one of the stocks I own. For example, I've got about $1.36 in Roblox. To sell, you just tap Sell. At this point, Cash App will scan your face for security, and then it'll show you the sell screen. Now, since I'm recording this on a weekend, the stock market is closed, so the option says Schedule for Monday morning. But if it's Monday through Friday during market hours, you'll see a Sell button instead. Once you tap that, the sale will go through. You'll also see the breakdown of what you'll get after fees. For my example, selling would return about $1.34. You'll need to repeat this process for each stock you want to cash out. Once you've sold them, that money will show up right in your cash balance at the top of the home screen. So, for instance, if I sold that stock, my cash balance would increase by $1.34. Now that your money is in your cash balance, you can do several different things with it. The most straightforward option is to withdraw it to your linked bank account. Just tap the Withdraw button at the top, select the amount you want to send, or type in a custom number like $19, and then tap Withdraw at the bottom. The money will head to your bank account, usually arriving within a couple of days, depending on the option you pick. But if you don't want to withdraw to your bank, Cash App also gives you other choices. You can move the money into your savings account inside Cash App and earn up to 4% interest, which pays out monthly. You can use that balance to buy Bitcoin if you want to diversify into crypto. You can take the money and purchase another stock. Or you can use your Cash App card, which is the physical debit card they mail to you, and spend your balance directly at stores or online. You can also send the money instantly to another Cash App user through peer-to-peer payments. So, really, once you sell your stocks and the money hits your cash balance, you've got total flexibility to do whatever works best for you. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.